I'm Carley Summers, and on this Easy Living for the Daily Dose, we're talking about your quiet corner. Quiet corners are really important to me. I feel like every home needs a place where you can find rest and peace. For me, that's either decorating with fun accents that I love, whether it's fresh flowers, having a fresh cup of coffee, a fun chair to sit in, a journal, or even my favorite interior design book to get inspiration from. It's always good to find a place that you can just sit and have rest and not think about that to-do list. Meditation looks different for everybody. Some people might do yoga, some people might just need to read a book, but for me, it's just finding that quiet and peaceful corner in my home where I can just feel like I'm myself and not have to worry about the anxieties of the world. What's really neat about a meditation or quiet corner is that it's pretty attainable by almost every home. What's sweet is that every space can have its own little corner. It's just setting the intention to make one for yourself.
Only one network brings it all home. The Design Network. Home revealed.